work and all the hustling and bustle of Lagos State. You want to come back to a cozy home where you can sit, relax, and have a beautiful time. Welcome to this exquisite home, which is located in the heart of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Hello and welcome to Lekki Speakers Royal. Today on Lekki Speakers Royal, we'll be seeing a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, which is located in the heart of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And this property comes with a swimming pool and a boys' quarter. Is quite spacious. It can take up to 5 cars, and this property is sitting on a 450 square feet. It has a serene environment, and everything about this place talks about beauty. The building is all about smart, modern day finishing, modern day architectural design. Everything in here is beautiful. So come along with me and let's see what this beauty has for us. Our living space, your gaze with those art features that has a lot of lighting. You can decide to put a lot of flower vase here and a lot of design, you know, all those modern days architectural design. And on this side you have a lot of space to put in your frameworks or artwork in here. This living room is quite spacious and big. When I say it's big, it's quite big. You have a lot of space. I can decide to have my 4-bedroom fully sitter on this side. You have a 3-bedroom sitter on this side, or you can decide to have 6 on this side. Whichever way you want, you tweak it the way you want. We have a lot of lighting, natural air coming in through our floor to ceiling windows, and everything looks beautiful and seamless on this side. You can see the windows are quite big. We have our beautiful lighting features on this side. Shangaria, I love the fact that the design is quite beautiful and different from other houses I've done. And we have your television port here in place. You have this port where you can use in the Bluetooth speakers in the house, and you can also charge your phone on this side. On this side, you can decide to have your dining space beautifully lit with the lighting features and the architectural wooden work being done. So we are headed to our fully fitted kitchen. Ganga, you need to see this kitchen. It looks beautiful and seamless. From every other kitchen I've done. It's quite spacious. When I mean spacious, we can have 4 to 5 people in this kitchen and you don't have to bump on each other in this kitchen. We have our granite island and we have our sink on this side. We have 2 sinks. We have one here and one on this side. Beautiful lighting features that can lit up whatever you're doing on this side. We have our microwave and oven to this side. We have our double door fridge. So it comes with the house, a double door fridge. And on this side, we have our pantry where you can store anything, you know, your stuff. You can take in as many as possible. We have tons of cabinetry spaces. On this side, this is quite transparent, so you can use it so you can store in whatever you want to store right here. We'll have our heat extractor in place and we'll have our 5-burner gas cooker right in place. It comes with a washing machine on this side. We have tons of storage spaces to this side, tons of storage spaces. But another thing I like about this kitchen is that it provides where you can keep your plate and as well as your cutlery to this side. So you can open it up and bring it out, you know. It looks beautiful. This is modern day kitchen. It's not like the kitchens we used to have those days. So everything here is smart, modern. This door leads you outside and to where we have the beautiful swimming pool. On this side we also have tons of storage spaces. You can store whatever you want on this side, and lighting features will bring out the beauty of whatever you keep on this side. To my left hand side we have our pantry. So come along with me, let's see the 4 bedrooms upstairs. So let's head upstairs. We'll have those lighting features on the steps, and we'll have our stair railings on this side. We'll have those beautiful art framework similar to the one we have downstairs. You can tweak it with flowers, with arc design, which way you want. On this side, similar to the one we have in the living space, you can put a lot of frames, family frames, what you want. On this side, we have our family lounge. You can come here, have a cool time with your family, putting your 2-seaters on this side, and everything is right in place. Your sockets for your television port, everything with beautiful design on this side. You know, it will give this place a beautiful feel. Coming out of the family lounge, we're going to our left-hand side where we have the 3 bedrooms. On this side, we have our mini store. You can use it for either your laundry room or where you can store your clothing, so guest clothes, whichever way you want. You can use it for whatever you want. So this side we have our 1st bedroom fully fitted and the 2nd bedroom fully fitted with our toilet and bath all en suite. Heading over to our master suite, which is on this side. Yeah, it's quite spacious. Everything about this master suite is beautiful. It's spacious, spacious, spacious. You can have your kids' bedside right here, and we also have television ports fittings in place for you. You can decide to put in your 50-inch television, it can take it perfectly well. We also have the same design we had in our living space on this side. Our beautiful lighting features. We also have our inbuilt Bluetooth speakers. Everything looks fine. And on this side we have our wardrobe to take in your clothes, your shoes, your bag. The beautiful thing about this room that I like is that it has 2 wardrobe, so there's no fighting between Oga and Madam. Madam can decide to have this, or Oga can decide to have this. Everything looks seamless and beautiful. So we also have our mini walk-in closet on this side. So you can see either that's for Oga or this is for Madam. Everything looks beautiful. You can have your shoes, your bags, designers bags and shoes, whichever way you want. Everything looks perfect and seamless. I love the blend of white and brown, nice wooden features that was being used. Everything looks seamless and beautiful. On this side, we'll be heading over to our fully fitted toilet and bath. Inside we have our dual sink and we have our vanity in place, our mirror for you to have a cool look at yourself before you begin your day. We have our toilet on this side and we have our bathtub. Decide to use this or soak yourself here. Everything, I like our toilet features in place. Everything seems fine and seamless. Big windows to bring in beautiful fresh air. So everything in this house seems perfect and beautiful. Hope you had a nice view with me. You've seen the property. It's actually beautiful. It's beyond one's imagination. It comes with everything, the finest of aesthetics, the finest of architectural design, the finest of the beautiful smart features. So this is a swimming pool. I told you it comes with a swimming pool. We are right here with the swimming pool. Lots of artificial grass surrounding it. You can decide on that side to have your table and chair where you can sit and have a beautiful time after the day's stress and work. So this property is in the market now for 165 million naira. You can call the number showing below on your screen. I'll be delighted to bring you here for an inspection. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, please do me a favor. Click on the subscription button and subscribe to this station, and click on the notification bell to notify you where I drop more videos, and kindly like, share. You don't know who might be in the market looking for this beautiful and luxury property. Till I come your way next time, is bye from here, and please stay safe and have a lovely time. From here is a bye. See you soon.